Josh King Madrid, better known by his stage name JetSet, is an American internet celebrity, author, digital marketer and producer of Millionaire Dropout. He is the co-founder of NFTmagazine.com and co-inventor of the world's first AI messenger chatbot for Instagram DM. He is the podcast host of The Dropout Degree. Born on March 8, 1998 in Orange, CA as Josh Madrid. JetSet's net worth is estimated to be around $20 million and according to his Forbes contribution. He is a United States native who has been working professionally since his early teen days and made his first $1 million at the age of only 19. Through e-commerce and affiliate marketing. He went on to become an author and public speaker on the subjects of digital marketing, brand building, and e-commerce, and has spoken at over 100 business conferences, schools, and marketing events. JetSet has collaborated with industry leaders, celebrities, and billionaires. He was also in the series, Kings of the Internet, including some of the biggest names in online content creation like Andrew Tate, Brandon Conde, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, Dan Bilzerian, Tristan Tate, Tai Lopez, Ayman Godzi, Sebastian Giorgio, Jay Monopoly, Alex Hormozi and Grant Cardone. Josh King Madrid's first book JetSet Life Hacks 33 Life Hacks Millionaires, Athletes, Celebrities, and Geniuses Have in Common, was published in August 2022. His second book The Art of Frame Control, How to Effortlessly Get People to Readily Agree with You and See the World Your Way, was published in September 2022. In late 2021 and early 2022, Josh King Madrid launched NFTmagazine.com and earned over $10 million from launching NFTs within just 45 days. He shared multiple stories on his Instagram of buying low and selling high and trading hundreds of thousands of dollars of cryptocurrencies and NFTs within a single day. He also has a 40-person office for NFT Magazine and his marketing agency in Irvine, California. JetSet comes from a close-knit family and often features his parents and siblings on his social media accounts. His mother's name is Wanda Madrid, and his father's name is Richard Eric J. Madrid. JetSet's brother, Jonathan Madrid, is also a social media personality and content creator. He stands at 6 feet 2 inches and has been in relationships with Jamie Malani, Tefi Valenzuela, Mia Francis, Narman Asria, Timuri, Nicole Montoya and Riley Ryan. Being one of the first internet marketers for Generation Z, JetSet focuses primarily on product launches, sales and marketing, internet marketing, and strategic alliances. He also started the millennial entrepreneur movement, Team JetSet. He is a neuromarketer and a marketing consultant that generates well over $10 million in sales for his NFT clients under the alias, Crypto Bro. His development of an automatic interactive conversational chatbot campaign for Instagram direct messaging automation is one of the things that distinguishes him from others. His podcast has featured dozens of amazing guests including Jason Capital, The Blonde John, Joey Sens, Brandon Conde, Peter Voogd, Casey Adams, Forbes Riley, Marshall Silver, Vince Reed, Booty King and one of Tai Lopez's greatest student success stories, Jaden Gross. JetSet's mindset and beliefs are centered around hard work, persistence, and positivity. As he mentions in a Maxim interview, it's all about having the mindset of, I can do it, and then going out and executing. He owns a luxurious car collection, including a Lamborghini and a McLaren, and has traveled to various countries, including Dubai, Japan, and Thailand. He is a strong believer in the power of mindset and personal development. He often shares his favorite quotes and motivational messages with his followers. One of his most famous quotes is, "I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. The grind is real, and the work never stops." Additionally, he has spoken at more than 100 business conferences, schools, and marketing events, sharing his experiences and insights on entrepreneurship and digital marketing. His most viewed video on YouTube is about drop shipping where he shares how he made over $10 million in 2017. JetSet has a taste for the finer things in life and has bought luxury items such as designer clothing and watches. However, he also believes in giving back to his community and has donated to various charities and non-profit organizations. In conclusion, JetSet's success story is an inspiration to young entrepreneurs who dream of achieving financial freedom and success. His hard work, dedication, and entrepreneurial spirit have helped him build a successful career, and his ability to inspire others through his content and books has made him a prominent figure in the business. Subscribe for more biography net worth videos about your favorite internet celebrities and famous entrepreneurs.